Irene, no, Miss Irene or Ma'am Irene, about siguro the examples, no. Can you talk to us about recent examples of these investment scams?
Yes,
Para tayong
attorney, for ano, the
para tayong
recent
nasa
one that
klase.
we had, yung dito sa Zamboanga,
Yes.
yung ano, yung Silver Lion, if you've heard of it, 'di ba? Kasi dito talaga
Yes.
siya nagbunga. Although yung nag-start noon, parang nag-start siya sa Iloilo, and then nung naging malaki na the scam that he started in Iloilo became well-known na. So he came to Zamboanga and started it dyan sa Manikaan. So isa yon,
Mm.
and SEC was part of the investigation, and eventually nahuli din sila, and the case is ongoing right now. So isa yon, Ponzi scheme, ang daming naging victims doon, mga mayayaman, mga businessmen, mga doctors,
Yes.
ganun, because they believed they believed what their family say, their friends say, na nag-invest sila ng ganito, and then binigyan
Yes.
sila ng car. Tapos after that, nag-double, nag-triple. Kasi ganun yung Ponzi scheme. Yung mga
Yes.
first na sumasali, bumabalik talaga yung pera nila. And yun, nakakapag-testify sila na nag-earn sila.
Yes.